to show you how to do sort of like a cranberry moment. She's wearing a little red.
A little.
It's more fall slash cranberry moment. So that's what we're going to do with her eyes.
She's busting out the big guns.
I am. The big Morphe guns. We've got the Morphe 39A Dare to Create. I was going to say Dare to Compare.
Yeah, that'll work. Ooh, epic fail. Cats are
Jaclyn Hill, the OG palette. Morphe by Jaclyn Hill.
That's a mislabel there, man.
Or Morphe with Jaclyn Hill.
You said OG.
This is the Ring the Alarm palette from Jaclyn Hill, the newest palette. The Vault collection. So I've got a plethora of eyeshadows to use. Yes, I just said plethora.
Here, let's make this easy for you.
Thank you. So I'm just gonna dig in.
I'm nervous.
You don't want me to be nervous, dear. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do like kind of like a cranberry look. So I'm gonna do a transition color.
That is brown.
It's like a tannish brown. Oh, yeah.
This is my favorite part, is when she does the eyes. It's so like therapeutic and relaxing. And where are you putting that?
Right on the crease. And don't worry, it's not going to look perfect right now because I haven't blended it out.
She always tells me, just wait, it looks like a hot mess now, but it'll look amazing when I'm done.
Yeah.
It's a process.
Oliver, really? I can't see him, but he's like right here on the
makeup brushes.
The desk.
And he knows better. Turd knocker.
Get down.
Shiny light.
Go on. Go.
Bye, Felicia.
If that would have broken my phone, I would have been real pissed.
I would have been pissed.
Morphe E30 blending brush to blend it out. He's in his teenage years, so...
Nobody cares, Oliver.
He's like testing boundaries. That's all what it's about.
And testing limits.
Yeah.
Okay, no, Mom didn't need you to just bump me there.
Well, as long as I wasn't using something else.
She's like,
I was using something else, it would have been stabbed in the eye, yeah. So now we're going to go into a darker color in the bottom right corner. Right, well, this is the left. Let's see, I'm going to do a darker color. Let's try this one. This 39A does not have colors. I'm so sorry about that, but it's kind of like a cranberry berry color. And we're going to try that one.
I'm making faces, don't mind me.
You always make faces at me.
The funny part is that you're not fazed by it.
Nope. I'm used to it by now. Oliver, I swear, if you mess this, you know what? Get down. Get down.
Wah, wah.
It looks like a mess, I know, but don't worry. It's going to be really pretty. Rome wasn't built in a day. So I'm going to take this, let me blend this in a little bit more. Here we go. I'm going to take this blending brush that we used earlier and just kind of blend that in with the transition color. I'm not going to touch the outside portion because that's our dark color.
I think you blended my cornea.
Sorry.
I'm kidding. That's kind of a funny joke. Which y'all can't tell from the video is Heather smells amazing. What perfume is that?
That's the Coco Chanel. It's the little tester size Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, I think it is.
Madame Crack Mademoiselle. It smells amazing.
You're funny. Okay, then I'm going to go back in and, since I've blended it, go back into the crease and just kind of fill it a little bit. There we go. And then I'm going to kind of blend that with the same brush, but I'm just going to do a softer blend. I'm not doing it all over the lid. I'm just doing it right where that spot is. Okay. And if you mess up, it's no big deal. There's cotton balls and cotton rounds and, you know.
Or even just a makeup remover wipe and start over.
Yeah, you could do that too. So don't sweat it if you mess up. Everybody messes up from time to time. Now I'm going to take a Morphe flat. What were you going to say?
I was going to say practice makes perfect.
Yes, it does. Morphe flat rounder brush, and I'm going to put in some. I want to. You know what, I'm going to do this color from. It's like a dark berry brown. I'm going to do that. But I need my MAC Fix Plus spray to kind of like bring out the color.
I feel that on my feet.
And Oliver's on top of the chair again. Oliver? Go dry.
No, it's the girls on the other one.
Now Mama wants to get in. She's like, what is this? I don't know if you can see her, but she's like right on my leg.
Oh, nice.
You want to pick her up?
Okay.
Come on.
Come on. Come here, don't be like that. Come here. I can't pick her up. Come here. Come here. Come here, big girl.
That's Mama's / Harper.
Let's see how long she'll sit still.
Close your eyes all the way. There we go.
Good girl. Yeah.
That's all right. She's all right. Okay. And then what we can do is we can kind of buff out the top color. And maybe put a little bit more brownish color in it. I don't know, look at it, see if you like it. You want a little brown in it or?
Need more red.
Red? Okay, so what kind of red do you want to do? There's this type of red.
No,
There's
it's like a dark. Something to lighten a little bit. Have you used bomb ass?
no, but that's like a shimmer.
Oh, so you're
Where do you
doing
want-
strictly matte?
Well, I've already put shimmer on there. Where'd you want this bomb ass at? It's called bomb ass.
Love it. I don't know. Actually, I think you should leave it as is and just do whatever you were going. Go the way.
Okay, so I just need to clean it up a little bit.
Ouch.
Sorry.
I got psoriasis there.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm pretty much done.
Then I just gotta do eyeliner. And
Just do eyeliner and mascara
you want
to
to
finish
post?
the look.
You want to just post a picture of the final look?
Yeah, we can do that. We
Instead
can
of them sitting there going.
We'll post a picture of the final look on the video, and that's our cranberry-ish.
I like it.
I think it's cranberry. It's really pretty, and your hair's
Festive.
not done yet. I forgot about that.
Yeah, I've got to scratch it.
Scratch it. We're gonna go
Scratch
to a
it.
friend's house, and her mom's in town. So shout out to Teresa Bayless.
Hi.
So what else? Oh, we've got another video coming up this Saturday. It's gonna be like a vlog style. We're gonna do some bargain hunting.
This should be interesting.
Yeah. Hopefully, okay, so the challenge is not to buy anything, just to hunt for bargains.
It's gonna be a challenge for this one.
It's a challenge for me because I'm like, ooh, I'll take that.
Ooh, shiny! What?
Yeah. So that's the challenge. So why don't we do it a challenge style?
Ooh, are you challenging me?
No, I'm well, yeah,
Are
maybe.
you challenging yourself?
How about both of us challenge?
Your face just got beet red.
Yeah. So.
So look at you.
So check out that video. It's coming up this Saturday. So, anyways, we hope you have a great day. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.